in Hong Kong today. Yeah, this is very amazing place, special dojo. I will introduce you. Say hello to my subscribers.
Hello, my name is Mark.
Hello, I'm Jack. I'm Jack from Hong Kong.
I'm Mark from Hong Kong also.
Yeah, my friend. Cool guys.
First means that when we doing the practice, we lead thousands of months. So that means practice more. Okay, and the other one is Katana is just like moon. So I hope that more and more students will come to study.
What is this? Who love this figure?
I'm my hobby because I sometimes I'm work in here. Yeah, so this is my area for my work.
Okay.
So
Stretching.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Warming up.
That's really nice. Thank you. Thank you for your demonstration. It's opened my eye. Yeah, it's really good.
Thank you. And you?
it's big different with our practice. So it's good experience to us to learn more and know more the different style of the candidates. Thank you.
Yeah.
一碰咩、三碰咩、個碰咩。
Let's go. Good, amazing. Wow, your Noto is very smooth.
Thank you.
Noto
Thank you
is
so
real.
much.
Yeah, Noto is really smooth. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. And Mark, your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, your movement so very slow and very calm down. Yeah, your style?
This is what I learned before. The teacher say we have to do the more slowly and smooth and be careful of every movement. So we don't do too fast to every movement. We have to start beginning slowly and smooth, and then because the fast action, the more faster, you can do anytime. On the future, you can do more faster and faster. But the beginning, we have to do the slowly and smoothly more. Yeah.
Very important point, thank you. And Jax, your battle is very powerful and quick.
Yeah.
Your
Thank
style?
I do the practice and I have my experience, and so that you can see the demonstration just like this.
Special for me because I'm copy my
Silva looks like antique.
Yeah.